study, and these are our teammates. And we are from Government Degree College, Palacha, Bhadravati, Kottagudem district. Introduction. It is anticipated that demand for energy storage device for both fixed and mobile applications will continue to rise coming years. Global demand for energy storage system has been raised, which is very important and development modern in the world. New technologies and techniques are developed as a result, particularly in the area of batteries which are used in energy storage system. Our studies focused on the present research area in the field of rechargeable batteries. One of the promising area of interest in high entropy materials which are used as battery components such as cathode, anode, electrolyte. Since a new technique was developed, the term high entropy has become widely used in materials research. This feature explains the progress of development of new battery components in the area of high entropy.
The role of entropy. Entropy, a thermodynamic quantity, is only a measurement of the degree of molecular disorder present in a system. Accordingly, a system with a high level of molecular disorder has a very high entropy value, and the opposite is also true. The characteristic nature of entropy is now playing a crucial and vital function in the construction of battery components, despite the fact that the conventional perception of disorder sounds negative or unhelpful. The distinctive quality of entropy is now useful and audibly sounding positive. Configurational entropy is a key concept in the design of battery components. The configurational entropy formula is shown here. Delta S max is equals to minus R into summation of Xi log Xi. The value of entropy increases with the addition of materials in the component. Recently, high entropy materials have gained increasing interest in the field of energy storage technology on account of their unique structural characteristics and possibilities for tailoring functional properties. The diagram shows the battery anodes, battery cathodes, and supercapacitor in the higher entropy materials. The design contributed by the entropy mediated concept provides the researchers numerous ideas of new candidates for practical applications and ensures further research in the emerging field of energy storage.
Linkage between high entropy and energy storage. The material with delta S configuration equal to 1.5 NR treated as high entropy materials. Figure shows the structure of 5 cations. High entropy materials have lot of void spaces. In this structure, we can observe lot of void space. The 5 cations like nickel, copper, ferrous, cobalt and manganese gives configurational entropy greater than 1.5 NR, act as high entropy materials. High entropy materials are tailorable. That is, any metal of combination can be replaced with other available metal. Lithium ions and sodium ions are accommodated or between void areas in the anode and cathode materials during the charging and discharging of battery. Higher levels of randomness in high entropy materials result in high regulation molecular configuration. It results in ion being accommodated in the battery comfortably. In this way, high entropy nature of the materials excludes in new techniques and technology in the energy storage system.
Application of high entropy materials. High entropy materials are used in many applications. Certain classification of high entropy materials are shown in the figure. High entropy materials are used in dielectric, high entropy elements are extreme materials for compression, combination chambers, exhaust nozzle and gas turbine case applications within the gas turbine engine. High entropy alloys for aerospace applications. High entropy materials among many potential applications. Several possible applications, breakthrough applications are pointed out. High entropy materials are includes high temperature turbine blades.
Studied many books, journals, research papers and articles related to this case. We report that the distinct character of entropy it created a scope of invention of variety energy storage and other applications. The invention of high entropy assays in 2014 is big exploration of high entropy materials suitable for energy storage system. There is a lot of scope for research in the area of high entropy materials.